Yo, what's going on? Top of the top, top of the top. What's poppin'? How y'all feeling? I hope all is well. Hope y'all week been well. Hope y'all day going well. I know what's going on. We back at it. We back at it with another one. We're gonna be getting into secure versus unsecured credit cards today. That's what we getting into today. We're gonna get straight right into it. We ain't gonna play around, you know. So, straight out the back, someone's gonna talk to you into the wrong credit card this year. Maybe a bank, maybe a friend with good intentions but bad advice. And it is going to slow your entire credit building journey down by months. Today, I'm going to make sure that does not happen to you. My apologies, y'all. I just smoked me a nice joint. I'm chilling over here. But anyway, I'm going to make sure that don't happen to you. Secure versus unsecured credit cards, the real truth, no confusion. Let's get to it. So a secured credit card requires you to put down a cash deposit before you get the card. That deposit usually becomes your credit limit. Put down $200, your limit is $200. This deposit is the bank's protection. If you stop paying, they keep your deposit to cover the debt. That is why banks approve secured credit cards so easily. There is basically no risk to them. You are the one putting money on the line. The card functions exactly like a normal credit card after that. You swipe it, you get a statement. You make payments, it reports to the credit bureaus, just like any other card. That's like a easy, quick getaway. That's like if you use a charm, something like that. You know what I'm saying? You want to get busy, get a nice little jump on your stuff and get it popping. That's how you do it right there. Now we got the unsecured credit cards. That requires no deposit. The bank is extending you credit based purely on trust in your credit history. This is what most people think of when they hear credit card. Chase, American Express, Capital One, Venture, all of those type of things are unsecured credit cards. Maybe Navy Fed, you know what I'm saying? The bank is taking on risks because if you do not pay, they have nothing held as collateral. That is exactly why unsecured cards are harder to get approved for when you have no credit history or bad credit. The banks need proof you are reliable before they hand you credit with nothing backing it up. Here's the truth, on some that nobody even going to explain to y'all clearly. If you have no credit history or a low score under 600, you need a secured card, period. It does not matter how confident you feel. It don't matter if you think you deserve better. Applying for unsecured cards with bad or no credit just generates denial and hard inquiries that hurt your score further. Each denial is a wasted, hard inquiry doing damage with zero benefit. Start secured. Build your history for 6 to 12 months, then move to unsecured. This is not a punishment. This is the fastest actual path to where you want to be. People who skip this step and keep applying for unsecured cards, they cannot get approved for waste months, sometimes years spinning their wheels. No cap, you could speed that process up by doing two. I tell all my people, yo, listen, do 2 payments a month when you doing with the cards. Do 2 payments a month. So it looked like when you got to 3 months, because every 3 months you could ask for an what do you call it? Not an extension, but a upgrade, you could ask for more money. You know what I'm saying? You could ask for an increase on your credit every 3 months. So if you made 2 payments every month, it's gonna look like you made 6 payments in 3 months. You know what I'm saying? So it just look good. I just tell people to get busy. It's just sauce. And then here's what most people don't realize about secured cards. The good ones are not meant to be permanent. They are a stepping stone. Discover, Capital One, and several other issuers will automatically review your secured account after 6 to 12 months of responsible use. If you have been paying on time and keep utilization low, they upgrade you to an unsecured card and refund your deposit. That is real cash back in your pocket and a permanent unsecured card in your wallet. This is why I always recommend picking a secured card from an issuer known for this upgrade path. Not every secured card offers this, though, so you got to be on point. Some keep you secure forever. You just got to check before you apply. Now, if you already have a decent credit, say a 650 or higher, and you have at least 1 or 2 years of credit history, you might be able to skip secured entirely and go straight to an unsecured starter card. Cards like Capital One, Quicksilver, or Discover Student Card are designed for people with limited but not zero history. You know what I'm saying? The key question to ask yourself honestly is, have I shown any lenders I can be trusted with credit yet? If the answer is yes, you might qualify for unsecured and just go for it. If the answer is no, then just go with the secured way. You know what I'm saying? Either way. Like, that is the real truth about secured versus unsecured credit cards. No confusion, no bad advice. If you starting from zero or rebuilding, go secured first. Pick one with an upgrade path. Use it responsibly for 6 to 12 months, then move to unsecured. This sequence is not slow. It is actually the fastest way there because it avoids wasted denials and wasted time. And your 6 months gonna fly by fast. Like, you might as well do it. If you ain't doing nothing, you might as well build it, get the sauce right, and do everything you need to do. You know what I'm saying? If you want my team to help you pick the exact card, you need help for specific situation to link the work, anything. You know what I'm saying? You want some sauce, subscribe to us. Like, you could comment on my video. Got an Instagram page, sincerelove_76. We building this life, man. Like, Jersey boys, man. We shaking this shit from the bottom to the top, yo, for real. I did 10 and a half years in prison, was locked up, did all of that. And, I'm building this life, yo. I'm getting people this bag, funding. However you want to do it, let's get it going. Let's get it shaking, man. Like, I appreciate y'all for being here. We got another one coming next week. Subscribe next week, and we here. Let's do it. What's up? Still the vibes. We out.